Let me show you how you can create this simple Instagram story using Adobe Photoshop. First of all, you need to create a canvas 1080 by 1920. Then you need to write down the text. I have already have the text. Now I am bringing the rectangle tool and making a shape and changing the color with this one. Okay, now I want to send it to back of the text to layers. Then select and drag it to under the text layers, and then go place and embed the image that you want to use. I'm using this one, and I want to bring it or send it to back to the text, and now selecting the text to change the color of it. Okay, now creating the button, shop now button at the bottom. Then you can make the round top at the top of the button. Then I want to select rectangle and to make a white shape. Then select this one and go to layers, and from there you can go to saturations to bring this. Thanks for watching.